The Japanese FX is a sixth-generation stealth fighter in development, designed to strengthen Japan's air defense with advanced technology, artificial intelligence, and regional tactical superiority. Today we will talk about it. Subscribe, like, and share the video for more content. In the heart of the Pacific, where technology meets tradition, Japan is embarking on one of the most ambitious projects in its modern history: the development of a sixth-generation fighter jet, known as the FX or F-3. This aircraft is not just a symbol of defense. It is a declaration of sovereignty, engineering, and the future. For decades, Japan relied on American aircraft, such as the F-15J and the F-35A. But threats evolved. The geopolitical landscape of the Asia-Pacific region has become increasingly unstable. The growing Chinese military presence, North Korea's hypersonic missiles, and the aging of Japan's current fleet pushed the country toward a historic decision to develop its own next-generation fighter. Led by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, in cooperation with Japan's Air Self-Defense Force and international partners like BAE Systems and Leonardo, the FX project is not only national. It's a coalition of expertise and vision. The projected launch is set for 2035, but prototypes and systems have been in accelerated development since 2020. The FX will be the direct successor of the F-2, a Japanese adapted version of the American F-16. But the FX goes far beyond. It's a stealth fighter focused on survivability, situational awareness, and network integration, key traits for future air warfare. The FX design already impresses. With angular lines, twin canted tails, and fuselage-blended air intakes, the fighter is shaped to minimize radar signature. The airframe uses advanced composites, and sensors are embedded into the structure, contributing to stealth and aerodynamic efficiency. But it's not only invisible. The FX will be lethal and intelligent. One of its standout features will be a dual-band ASA radar, capable of detecting stealth enemy aircraft at long ranges. In addition, the fighter will carry a highly sophisticated electronic warfare suite, able to jam, deceive, or neutralize enemy sensors before even being seen. Another key component is the onboard artificial intelligence system, acting as a digital co-pilot. This AI will process real-time data, suggest maneuvers and tactics, and even control accompanying drones, the so-called wingman drones. Japan has already confirmed that the FX will be designed to operate alongside these autonomous systems, which can carry out escort surveillance or strike missions. In terms of propulsion, Japan is developing an advanced turbofan engine with three-dimensional thrust vectoring, allowing for extremely agile maneuvers similar to the F-22 Raptor. This system will be crucial in close-range dogfights, where every degree of motion can decide the outcome. The cockpit will also be revolutionary. Holographic interfaces, motion sensors, and an augmented reality helmet will replace traditional panels. The pilot will have a 360-degree view of the battle space, with highlighted targets, identified threats, and integrated communications all in a single display. But the FX is more than hardware. It is part of an integrated combat network, a concept known as a combat cloud. In this system, the fighter connects with satellites, ships, other aircraft, and ground stations in real time. This creates a web of information that enables precise and rapid tactical decisions. Japan is also emphasizing maintenance and sustainability. The FX will feature automatic diagnostic systems, capable of predicting failures before they occur. This increases fleet availability and reduces operational costs, a crucial advantage in times of constrained budgets. However, the program comes with a high price tag, over $40 billion. But for Japan, technological independence and deterrence capability justify every cent. There's also a strategic dimension. The FX could become the foundation for future exports. Countries like the UK and Italy have already shown interest in sharing technology, and there are reports that the FX may merge with the Global Combat Air Program (GCAP), a tri-national alliance aiming to create a global sixth-generation fighter. Japan's choice is clear: not to wait for the future, but to build it. With every simulation, with every prototype tested, the FX moves closer to a new paradigm, a plane that represents more than air power. It embodies the resolve of a nation that seeks, above all, peace through strength, innovation, and autonomy. In the skies of tomorrow, the silent roar of the FX will be the sound of Japanese sovereignty.